Hi students, in this part we see about nomenclature of aldehyde or naming of aldehyde. Okay, so this is the structure for aldehyde group C, double bond O and single bond H. It's simply represented by single bond CHO. So the aldehyde is present in the last of the chain, okay, or ending of the chain. That aldehyde group is denoted by that indicating word Al. That Al is added in the suffix of the name. General formula CnH2n plus 1 CHO. So how do we give the name for aldehyde compound? Name of the alkane plus suffix word Al. Okay, and cancelling E, then we join the alkane plus suffix word Al. In this way we get the name. So here one more important is what means the number of carbon atom is started from 0. In aldehyde and ketone, the number of carbon atom is started from 0. Remaining all the cases we see that number of carbon we started from 1. But in the case of aldehyde and ketone, we started from the number of carbon atoms 0. Okay. First we number of carbon atom 0. Here I substitute the 0 in the molecular formula CnH2n plus 1. Here I substitute the 0 in the general formula. So what we get, carbon, number of carbon is 0. So hydrogen is, here this term will be 0 and only one hydrogen is there. So hydrogen. And remaining CHO is there. CHO. Okay. So how do we convert into the structural formula? There is no carbon is there. So we write directly in the functional group CHO. So how we write the CHO? It is the structure for CHO. So in this way we can write single bond H. This is the structure for aldehyde group. Then remaining which one is there? Hydrogen is there. So hydrogen. This is the structure for HCHO. Okay, and condensed form is first we how do we write the condensed form for C double bond O single bond H? CHO we write. So CHO and remaining hydrogen is there. So HCHO. This is the condensed form. Okay, and next name of the alkane. How many carbon is there? Only one carbon. So what is the root word for that one carbon? Meth. Meth plus this is the alkane. So meth plus ANE, methane. Suffix word Al. For aldehyde the suffix word is Al. Next, how we merge the two words, name of the alkane plus suffix, by cancelling E. So that word is methanol. Okay. Next, I substitute number of carbon 1 here. So what I get? CH3CHO. First we write carbon atoms. Only one carbon atom is there. So here. And next functional group. Functional group is what? CHO. How do we write the CHO? C double bond O and H. This is the structure for CHO. And framework. Here the functional group carbon is surrounded by 4 covalent bond. No problem. Next, this carbon surrounded by only 1 covalent bond. It need 3 more. Okay. Framework completed. Next, this is a place for hydrogen. 3 hydrogen atom placed here. Okay. So condensed form. How do we write the condensed form? For this carbon surrounded by 3 hydrogen atoms, CH3. And next, how do we write the condensed form for the group? This is the condensed form for the group CHO. So CHO. This is the condensed form for this structure. Okay. Next, naming. How many carbon atom is there? Meth, eth. 2 carbon atom is there. The root word is eth alkane, ethane plus that suffix word is al. After cancelling e, we merge that to what we get? Ethanol. Okay, this is the methanol, this is ethanol. Okay, next, number of carbon 2. I substitute the 2 in the general formula, CnH2n plus 1 CHO. What we get? C2H5CHO. First we write carbon atom, 2 carbon atoms, 2 carbon atom. After that, functional group. How do we write the functional group? Carbon, oxygen, and this is the functional group. And the next, framework. This functional group carbon tetravalency satisfied, and this carbon is surrounded by 2 covalent bond, it need 2 more. This carbon is needed 3 more bond. Okay, now the framework completed. This is the place for hydrogen. How many hydrogen is there? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now short form: CH3, CH2, CHO. Okay, next naming: 1 2 3. 3 means meth, eth, prop. Alkane, propane. So this is the aldehyde group. It ended with the suffix word al. After cancelling e, we merge 2. What we get? Propanol. Okay, this is the name for C2H5CHO. That means propanol. And next one, number of carbon atoms 3. I substitute the general formula, get C3H7CHO. Convert the structural formula: 3 carbon, 1 2 3. Next we write functional group C double bond OH. So this is the structure for CHO. Here I denoted. This is the condensed form of this structure. Okay, and next framework. It needed 2. This carbon needs 3. Okay, framework completed. How many hydrogen is there? 7. So this is the place for hydrogen: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, in condensed form: CH3, CH2, CH2. How do we write the condensed form of this? CHO, aldehyde group. And next, naming: 1 2 3 4. 4 carbon is there: meth, eth, prop, bute. This is the alkane, butane plus that functional group suffix word al. After cancelling e and merge that, what we get? Butanol. Okay, number of carbon 4. I substitute the general formula and get C4H9CHO. Okay, now the structural formula: C4 1 2 3 4, and that functional group. Here the structural formula, we draw the structure of the functional group, not directly write CHO. Okay, and next framework. This is surrounded by 2. It need 3. Here also it need 2. It need 3. Okay, framework completed. The place for hydrogen: 9 hydrogen is there. And next condensed form CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Condensed form for this structure is CHO. Okay. So how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means meth, eth, prop, but, pent. Okay. So alkane, pentane. Okay. And next functional group suffix word is Al. After cancelling E, we merge that. So what we get? Pentanal. This is the first 5 members of aldehyde family. This aldehyde family also homologous series because the difference between that succeeding member is CH2 difference. So every member of the aldehyde family having same chemical properties. Okay. So aldehyde and alcohol, we place the functional group in the end of the chain.